for both smoothies, I'm using water as my base. I've kind of reached like a master level smoothie drinking status, so it's like it doesn't have to be super like sweet to me and like ultra palatable. But for a beginner, I would recommend just doing half water and half apple juice or whatever juice you want as your base. The Forever Healing Sea Moss, I did a video on how to create the sea moss gel and some of the benefits of it, so I'll just link that in the description box. Over on Instagram, I have some recipes for you guys to try, but first things first, try this milkshake smoothie. It's literally like dessert. Also, if you guys are interested in juice fasting, I have a couple recipes on that as well. I'm gonna bring juice fasting to my YouTube like really soon. Look at all that gorgeousness. Like, this usually leaves me about like 2 jars with like a little bit left over. It really just depends on how much fruit you put in your smoothie. So yep. Cute little glass for now, and then the 2 jars are for later when I work out. It's so much beauty in nature. Like, look at the colors. And then it has like little red veins. It's just like, wow. And speaking of veins, a friend of mine was having a conversation about plants, and she basically was kind of like saying that, you know, plants have life too. I feel guilty eating them. I'm like, really? Am I weird for thinking this is so beautiful? Just sprinkling like the chia seeds on top like that with the colors. I don't know. So take 2 bananas and blend. Let's talk about bananas real quick. Okay, so if you want to really like boost your smoothie's taste and like just enhance the smoothie period, wait till the bananas are speckly, like, you know, with the brown spots on it, because they are sweeter and they're easily digestible for your system. So that's just a quick tip. I want you guys to know that you can relax because the exact recipes will be in the description box. So make sure to check out that description box. that is it. That is all. Follow me on Juice Vibrations for more recipes and inspiration. And also let me know if my milkshake, allowed you guys to bring all the boys to the yard. Also, I guess I can give you guys my personal Instagram too at Love Vibrations. A friend and I, we just came back from Florida. We were living it up in the sun. And yeah, check us out. Check me out. We did a little morning yoga on the water. It was beautiful. Like this video, share, and comment some of your favorite smoothie recipes.